Welcome back to the channel. I'm Lee and this is BD Performance, and today we're going to be fitting a breather kit that we received from AIRTEC. Now, on the previous videos you've seen us ripping out the interior of this ST, fitting a roll cage, fitting bucket seats, and now it's time to fit this catch can and a few pipes so we can help this breathe a little bit better. So, in the kit provided by AIRTEC, you get the catch can, which with the AIRTEC Motorsports logo. You get two of the Pro hoses that are going to replace the existing hoses that we're going to be taking off. 4 Jubilee clips and a set of instructions. The good thing about AIRTEC, anything that you get sent out to you always comes with an instruction kit, with a kit I should say, but we'll crack on. It's quite a simple task, but we'll just see how we get on. So the first part of the job, take off the engine cover. Simple as just pulling it on each corner. 3 locators which are on the actual block itself, and they come off pretty easy. So fitting this catch can, it locates in the manifold, the intake manifold. It's as simple as that. You've got a screw that's provided, nut and bolt, goes straight through this existing hole. Also, we have 2 pipes that are provided. The longer one goes into the intake of the air intake, straight into the catch can. The other one that comes off the top of the rocker cover, straight into the tank. It's as simple as that.
So best laid plans and all that. You know, Lee was doing quite well up until the point where the camera got involved and he struggled to continue a connection with the sound. So up to a minute and a half of the video, Lee on his own had managed to complete this in a fairly organised manner. At that point, everything fell apart, and you'll find out in just a minute why. But basically, when he bent down, he unplugged the microphone. So we've got a section of this video that's going to be narrated by Lee as he did it, and this is the version. This section here is going to be the section where I'm going to have to decide what Lee said. Now, as you can imagine, what goes on in Lee's head is beyond most people's comprehension. So this could be entertaining, guys, so stay tuned and we'll play this video, and I'll tell you what, well, we'll play it now. Obviously you can hear there's absolutely no sound at this point. It is plugged in so that you can hear it on the speakers, but there's nothing. All you can see is his mouth moving. Now, this is no bad thing in reality, you know, Lee making no noise, just a load of mouth moving, but at this point I'm going to have to decide what he's saying. So I'm going to restart this. We're going to start the video from where he left off, and I'm going to see if I can determine exactly what Lee was saying. Wait a minute. Let me get it back to the... Right. We'll let them hear the... Oh, they can't hear it because it's on the... So here's where he lost audio. It's really hard to bend down here, but we're going to whip this pipe off like a boss with this tool here. It's great. So I clip that on like that, and just like this, like my mum told me, off it comes, shabam, this one here. Pull this off like this, and hopefully it won't break. Look at that, La. It's amazing. Throw that to one side, get this Pro hose here, right shape, connects to there, Jubilee on one end. There's another bit of pipe that goes there, that connects to the oil catch can. Yeah, I'm lost with what he's saying. So anyway, in reality, all you do is remove the 2 connections from here and here. Simple. One you can use with either a set of needle nose pliers to get that one off there, and the other one is just a case of gently removing it. This one here is quite tough to get onto the top of the crossover. You can see Lee struggling there, as he does with life in general. He gets it on in the end. Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, he's going to undo that Jubilee. He's figured it out. It was a bit too tight. Anyway, slide it back, wet the end, and hopefully on she slides. Is it going to work? How many attempts did this take him? Attempt number 45, day number 6. Nope, still not on. For some reason he's dragged this video out as, well, it looks like it's going to be about 15 minutes long. Not sure how you can make 2 pipes and a catch can into 15 minutes, but Lee has. Fair play to him. We're going to get these ads in this. There's going to be about 40 adverts in these guys, so if you haven't already, please consider paying YouTube for the ad-free premium version, because this video is going to be full of ads. So yeah, there you go. Simple fixing. It's a nut and a nylock washer that locates that. A nylock nut and a Allen key bolt that locks this into place. It's got a washer on top as well. Maybe one underneath. I'm not sure. I didn't see it before it went on. But he's just putting that into place now. And hopefully at some point he'll join some pipes. That could be today, next week, next month, next year. Now, whilst you're watching this, I'll just keep you up to date with a few other bits and bobs that we've got going on. Hey? Hurry up. You're the one. It's your fitting video. You tell me to hurry up. Yeah, whilst we're waiting for Lee to finally finish fitting 2 pipes and a catch can, I'll give you a few updates just to keep you entertained. So basically, yeah, we've got plenty more content to come with this Fiesta. By now you will have seen that we've fitted the cage, we've fitted the front mount intercooler, and the interior's all stripped out. It's now on the original plates, and we do have a private plate to fit on the car. Sorry about the phone ringing in the background. We do have a private plate to fit to the car, but we've also got some Mark III RS content coming up. Now, all we've got left now to do is to connect these 2 hoses up with Jubilees and so on and so forth. So it's going to be a fairly quick and simple job. So I'm going to leave it at that. Hopefully you'll see the finished article, and we'll take this thing out for a test drive at some point. But stay safe, stay tuned in. Subscribe if you haven't already, and like the video and comment down below if you've got a different catch can fitted. Thanks to AIRTEC for supplying this, Alan and the team there. We did get a discount on it, so full disclosure as usual. Thanks again guys for watching. See you all soon.